This week on DaveyandSky, we're exploring the Eastern Shore.
Yes, in beautiful Nova Scotia. It is a part of the province that we've not been before, really.
Never been.
Like, not explored all of these hidden gems. So we have a pretty busy 2-day itinerary, and to start the trip off, we are here. Where are we?
Well, this is the Liscomb River, and we're on, I forget what the name of the trail is.
I'm pretty sure it's just the Liscomb River Trail. It's right by Liscomb Lodge.
There's this amazing bridge here. It's bouncy, and the dogs are not a big fan.
The dogs are with us for this trip. We have we're staying at a dog-friendly spot. We can't wait to show you. It's a beautiful trail. Rugged though, like wear a good pair of shoes.
Oh yeah, it's pretty boggy. It took us about an hour to hike out to this bridge, if you want to do this. So hour in, hour out. It's a loop trail.
And for the owners of the place that we're staying, this is why we're late, and we are so sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 30 minutes down the road from the Liscomb River Trail, we are in Port Dufferin, where we're staying at the Marmalade Hotel. This is so beautiful. We just met the owners, Cheryl and Neil, who are the sweetest. They're actually the folks that invited us to come and stay and explore the area. And it's an 8-bedroom motel that they actually purchased during the pandemic. And they're like renovated everything, and yeah, come give them some love. Also, let me show you the room tour. We're staying in room number 1. What was it called again? I can't remember. It's like the sun something
I think it's Sunny Day.
We're being absolutely spoiled. It's like some juice and some strawberries. A little curd. Big comfy bed. I'll do a bed test later. And a big beautiful bathroom. Come on.
Look at that sink.
I know.
It's huge.
Everything. It's so pretty.
Everything is new.
Everything is so new. I love all of these accents on the wall, like keeping it for tips for our own home. Feel that breeze? You can't feel the breeze, but we can. This is the balcony.
We were supposed to be going on a Sober Island boat tour, but they canceled because of the weather.
Yeah. So, the owners, because they're so sweet, have a friend that has a lobster fishing boat, and he's going to take us out to see still some of the islands and some of the pretty views. Can't guarantee you'll get a chauffeur service, but we are.
There we are. I'm gonna do the jump too.
I'll jump too, I guess. I need your help.
You need my help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Good?
Go for it. Yep. Wow.
Yes.
Scary.
We're on an adventure.
Leave on this little stretch here. Now that's called Deadmans Point because my great-great-grandfather on Mum's side was just a boy, and a sailing vessel came in, stopped, put a boat over, they went ashore. A few minutes later, come back ashore, and of course in those days, in the 1860 range, it was pirate treasure. So the boys jumped in the little boat, rowed out, seen where some digging was done. The body was buried. So it's Deadmans Point.
Yeah. This is so exciting! Oh my god! So that is the Bird Island behind us here. And in case we didn't already say, we are in the Bay of Islands. This is such a unique experience. I get to see baby birds. That was an amazing boat tour. Huge thanks to Daryl Levy for taking us out. We are so appreciative. And if you're in the area, you can book a boat tour with Sober Island Boat Tours. Worked out perfectly. We had a great day and we made it back just before the rain. And then we changed right quick. And now we're off to dinner.
Tonight we're gonna be eating at the Henley House.
About 15 minutes away from the Marmalade.
Yeah.
We've heard that they have amazing food. For our starter here at the Henley House, we are having a really nice little cup of chowder paired with fresh hot biscuits and beer butter. I've never tried beer butter before. I'm very excited. It's made with the on-site brewery's beer, Sober Island Brewing. We are having haddock fish cakes with local greens and local chow. Everything is sourced locally. She said it's either from up the road or down the road. It smells amazing.
For dessert, we have rhubarb creme brulee. And I'm gonna break it open for you. It smells so good.
David just introduced the creme brulee, but the owner is actually from Wales, and she just brought out some freshly made Welsh cakes, which we've never had before. Apparently they have currants and nutmeg in them. Sounds like my kind of, like a spicy dessert. Am I supposed to eat it like this? I don't know. Oh, it's warm. Oh, that's yummy. There is a bunch of lovely china here beside me because Meryl, the owner, was telling us that she actually just started offering Welsh afternoon tea every Saturday and Sunday afternoon. And I mean, if you're looking to try afternoon tea, this is a great spot to do so. It's only about like a little over an hour outside of Halifax. For all you people in Halifax, afternoon tea is becoming quite the hit in Nova Scotia lately. Okie dokie, we are currently rolling home because we're so freaking full. That was amazing, super lovely. How was your Henley House experience?
It was great. I loved it.
It's good.
Yeah.
Owner, sweetest owner, family owned, run. Just the best. Sheet Harbor, Henley House. Have I said that enough yet? Go there, eat there. Yum, yum.
The dog's favorite thing about the room is that you can fit under the bed.
They're not allowed on the bed. However, who knew that all we had to do was get a bed that they could crawl under for maximum entertainment.
Toe is very noisy.
Stop it.
This is so nice.
This is really nice.
It's beautiful. Man, imagine having your morning coffee. Neil was saying, like, he was already out here this morning having his morning coffee here, and it was beautiful blue skies. So this was just delivered to our room. It is currently 8 a.m. Don't mind my morning voice. I need a cup of coffee. And here at the Marmalade Hotel, they offer room service for breakfast. And it's like a continental little spread for 2 people, which this is a lot of pastries. I think this is more than for 2 people. A bunch of pastries, some fresh fruit, yogurt cups, eggs, cheese, grapes, marmalade jam, of course, and orange juice, and a whole pot of coffee. You've already had your breakfast. I don't care. Don't you talk back to me.
Thirsty girls.
Breakfast was amazing. Then we
And
packed
it
the
was,
car up.
yeah.
Now
And
we're back.
Sheep Harbor.
Yeah, Sheet Harbor. Sheep.
And we're gonna have drinks at Sober Island Brewing.
First of all, they're dog friendly, which is amazing. Love a good brewery that's dog friendly. Oh, hi. Yes. Oh, thanks. So we just did a brewery tour with the head brewer Tim, and we met the owner Rebecca Atkinson, and she just described everything to us about all of the beers that they offer. And now we're gonna sample a little flight here. Look at this. And then they got the cans too, so you can see what they look like in like the NSLCs. Oh.
Indy doesn't drink, but Toby's a big drinker.
These clearly weren't good at all.
What? Oh yes, terrible.
Absolutely.
So now we're here at Taylorhead Provincial Park Beach. Marmalade Motel gave us a picnic basket before we left this morning.
Which is part of their packages. You can find all of their packages online, and this is part of it. We are at Taylorhead Provincial Park, and we didn't explore it too much yet because we're really hungry. So we just walked down the beach a little, and we're gonna have a picnic here. Oh my gosh, a charcuterie board, charcuterie box. Look at all of the goodness in there. Holy smokes. Some pasta and some sparkling water, lemon. Oh, and poop bags. Those were ours. For the dogs. They even included cutlery and napkins and everything in there too.
This is a beautiful beach, but we gotta go. We have a boat to catch. I recommend coming here and actually doing the hike, because you can hike all the way out to the end.
I want to come back.
We want to come back, but we just don't have time right now. What time? You wanna
Yeah,
grab it?
and you'll jump.
Good
There you
dog.
go. And then Toby?
Come on, Toby. Psych yourself up. See ya, bye.
This is beautiful. This is Sheet Island? Sheet Rock Island.
Just sheetrock.
Oh, sorry.
That's all.
Just Sheet Rock.
Just you.
We just did a boat tour. We actually got to do it with Sober Island Boat Tours, and it was so lovely. Thank you so much to the Levy family for having us out. And it was a really quick tour because we're actually all going back to the Marmalade Motel for a lobster boil together.
That was the coolest lighthouse I've ever seen.
Yeah, highlight of the year, I think, so far was seeing that lighthouse and getting the drone up and the boat, and just an epic experience.
I used to work at both.
Wow. Socializing.
Sociables.
Good morning. Neil just dropped off some yummy coffee.
It's just a blue.
You don't want it. It's a blueberry. You can have it. Do you step on it?
She's.
Meanwhile, Toby's like yoink. That was an amazing 2 days exploring the Eastern Shore. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to everybody that made it so special. Cheryl and Neil and the Levy family and Becky and Meryl and Dan, and there are so many people that just took us in, and we don't want to leave.
Feels like home now.
It does feel like home, and if you come visit, I am sure that they will make you feel at home as well. We do not want to leave. I think we keep saying that. It's a beautiful day. We wish we could explore some more trails.
Yeah.
There is a few things that David really wanted to check out, but we didn't have time to do, but that just means that we will have to be back, and you should come check it out too. You should come stay at the Marmalade Motel and do all of the things that we just did.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Beautiful bathroom. Oh no. We got
From
it.
the top.
Yeah, from the top. Make it drop. And double cage.
So the weather is starting to clear up a little bit, and we just got out. We're going to Sober Island.
Yeah, we're back in Cheat Harbor.
This is so cute. Look at this. This is adorable. Look at these little milkers.